Hey guys, so just a quick one today because I did promise when we did our chimney cleaning video that I would show you the best way of cleaning the glass on your fireplace. Now this is actually really simple, easy. Sometimes it requires a bit of elbow grease still, but it is so much simpler than any other method I've come across. I'm just going to show you the grottiness of our fireplace. Just going to put a white piece of paper there to show you, you know, that's pretty special. The fire's done a pretty good job. So we've actually just waited until it's a reasonably warmish day. We're heading towards the end of winter now. We've cleaned most of the ash out. Leave a little bit of ash in there and I'll show you why. I quite like doing this when we're still going to light it a couple of times anyway, just because it is so nice when you've got a nice clear screen seeing the fire and it just looks like brand new again. It's awesome. So I'll show you. This is really simple. Newspaper. Not the glossy stuff like newspaper. You'll probably need a few sheets. You will need a tub of water. Yes, it's an old margarine tub. I keep them and repurpose them. So good, newspaper, front. Open up your fireplace. So, you're going to dunk this in your water. Dunk it in the ashes, which of course you've left to cool. I don't want to see your apple core. And scrub it. Give that a bit of a wipe with some water and a bit of a dry. Here we go. Yay. Look, just to prove it. Look at that. Give us a like, hit the subscribe button, and yeah, we'll keep you posted for more ideas.
Bye.